Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to do testing in Go. We are going to take a very simple example to demonstrate how we can do unit testing in Go. So we will be using a standard testing package in this. The purpose of this video is to do unit testing when you are coding. As a developer, you should always be doing unit testing in your coding. We will be using a very simple example, package main. We can say function, you can call it as sum, you can say x integer, result, it's also an integer. You can say a result equals to x plus 2, a return result. Okay, and we can say fmt, we can call the main function, say fmt.println, and say hello, how are you? Since our purpose is not to print this. Now let's have a main test.go. Okay, so that will be package main. Since we are testing main, so we'll have a function, we can call it as test sum, a testing.T, can say if sum 2 not equals to 4, a dot error expected plus 2 equals to 4. Okay, we're keeping it very basic. Did I call it here sum? Yeah, it's sum. So this I'll be using git bash. Okay, go test. Perfect. So it gives me an okay result. Sometimes we want to know what tests are running and how long did it took. So we can say test/p. It will say which test. See, it will actually tell me which is the test sum. It says test sum has been tested. Now, even if I want to see the coverage, how much of my test is being covered, we can say go test/cover. It will give me a percentage. Go test cover. It says that 66% of my statement is being tested. We can use a Go test tool to generate a cover profile which can be converted to an HTML visualization. Let's see Go test. We can say cover profile equals to coverage.out. Okay, and then we can say go to. We want to have this in an HTML page, so we can say go cover HTML equals to coverage.out. Perfect. So this gives me what exactly has been tested. So in the green, whatever it says is being tested. So if you see, the most of the code within the sum function has been tested, and it features in green. This has been tested. So this red is not tested. So this is the basic testing in Go. So guys, if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.